Okay, this comes together pretty quick, so I'm going to get started with hot chili oil. Get this up to warm. I'm going to turn down my turn down my noodles. Oh boy. Yeah. Alright. Turn that down. So I got my hot chili oil. Get that out there. And also add my garlic chopped up. I've got going here. And that's going to go for about, I have the red burner on. That's going to go for about 45 seconds. And while that goes, I need to bring that up to temperature more. And I'm going to get my next thing ready. So this is all of my other ingredients. This is in this version I'm doing let's see, sweet paprika, toasted sesame oil, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and a little bit of water. I mix that all together in here so that I can dump it all in at the right moment. The original recipe of this uses peanut butter and maple syrup. I really liked that recipe, but I wanted to make this one a little bit more spicy this time. So I am going to add a little bit of Korean chili as well. And I also have some other condiment chili that I'm going to put on it. Okay. So this is where things move quick. Once this comes up to a nice little sizzle, I'm going to throw the rest of that in soon. So these only need about a minute, and these only need a little bit too, just to get blanched. These are frozen vegetables that I pulled out. Alright, this has had its 45 seconds. Get the rest of this tasty sauce in here. Okay, some tasty sauce. Now the original recipe had peanut butter, so this would be a lot goopier. And the maple syrup would be a lot goopier, but I'm leaving those out. I will post both versions. And let's see, let this get nice and hot. And give this a little bit of a check. So the noodles are basically just about done. And these vegetables will not take long. These were originally frozen. I did have them sitting out for a few minutes, so they will not take long at all. I'm going to pull this back. Definitely pull that back. Okay. And I'm going to probably just check these quick. I would say they are ready to go. So I'm going to strain. I don't even really need to strain this, but maybe I will. Yeah, maybe I'll strain it. Make sure I get all the water out. Turn this off. Pull this back a second. Do the handy dandy strainer thing. I'm going to have that inside. can also put chicken in this or shrimp. I'm gonna go veggie for today. That's it. Let's see how there. And then we'll do some other garnishing with this. Okay, here's the finished thing, and we're gonna do some crushed peanuts and sesame seeds that I toasted earlier. And then I always like to have an extra bit of this stuff. I always keep preferably a large jar of this on hand because it goes with everything. This does have peanuts, so if you have an allergy, do not use this. And yeah, that's where we're gonna start nom-nomming. Let me taste one of these noodles. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright. Nice and new. Veggies.